Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 3 in the laser orange colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Air Jordan 3 Laser Orange will be a women's exclusive release that's set to launch during the summer months. Dressed in a white laser orange, cement gray, and black color scheme, this Air Jordan 3 features a white tumbled leather upper with hints of laser orange throughout the sock liner, eyelids, and midsole. Incorporating iconic elephant print on the toe and heel, this iteration completed by laser orange Jumpman Air hang tag. Look for the Air Jordan 3 women's laser orange to release August 21st at select retailers. The retail price tag is set at $190. To me, this is just a white Jordan 3 in a Laker type colorway. Now, I know there's no purple on there, but that's the first thing that came to me when I saw this colorway. I personally want this shoe just to do a Laker style custom, so that's the reason I'm going for this shoe. But other than that, the colorway does look really dope. It's just a clean sneaker. Any shoe that's primarily white, you can pretty much find dope outfits to go with it. When it comes to white Jordans, you pretty much take the accents it comes with, whether it's blue, green, or in this case orange, and you pretty much just match your shirt to it and then you're set. The upper on here does look to be this very nice tumble leather, great quality on a Jordan 3. They also have elephant print, which is iconic with Jordan 3s, and I think it just complements this all white upper very nicely. Now you got hints of this gold color on the heel, eyelids, and then the tongue. Now you got a white lining, orange insole with a white Jumpman logo. White and orange on the midsole, gray, white, and orange on the outsole. Ultimately, I don't really see there being that much resale on this shoe. In fact, I could see some sizes not even selling out. It's really hard to tell just because it's not an OG colorway, but it is a Jordan 3 and I have heard a lot of really good things about this colorway. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the shoe. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
Look, I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting